The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Apple with the ticker symbol AAPL. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it has been a while since I've looked at Apple's chart, and now I can see why the SPY continues to rally. It's because Apple is such a large weight in that index and it continues to move higher, so that's why the SPY is also rising up. So Apple is looking bullish still, and let's go over the chart, figure out reasons why, and figure out where it can be headed next. Well, obviously you can see it's a very choppy downtrend that Apple was inside of, very volatile with large swings. You can see since the all-time highs, Apple has only dropped about 9 to 10% currently where we are trading at. So pretty good for a tech stock, and it looks like we could probably see higher prices. So this was the measured move, a very large measured move that was met. This is one large leg down. This was the second one. We came pretty close to this target at the 122. Prices stopped at the 124, so that's fairly close. So normally after two large legs, you can expect a big bounce. That's what we're getting for Apple, and it looks like we could be making two large legs up as well. So this was one large leg up. All this was a correction. You can see that the shorts got trapped right about here. I'm gonna put a horizontal line. So this looks like the resistance at the 150 level. Nice round psychological number. You can see this was acting as strong resistance. Prices could not pass through it. Sold off, and then we had to the market participants had to do a symmetrical V bottom reversal to get back above this level at the 150. The bulls breached it. Sellers tried to bring it down once. The bulls rallied. Sellers tried to bring it down twice, and the second time it was weaker than the first one. Bulls recognized that prices can still go higher, so they were waiting for a bounce. Once they got the bounce, you can see this is when the large move happened, was when they started piling in because they thought the shorts were trapped, and they took their money. So we had one large leg up, and we could be in the formation of the second leg, targeting the 176 level. So it looks like we can probably reach it. It's just right at this previous high point in August of last year, and looks like the market will probably continue to rally higher. This red bar right here, I mean, there's not a lot of resistance between where price is trading right now to the 176. It could just continue push up in this manner that prices are doing. But either way, we could be seeing a pullback. We are a little far away from the EMA. This was the previous uptrend right here, and then prices broke it, and now we could be inside of a shallower uptrend, this yellow one, and it's targeting the highs of the uptrend because we go from the highs to lows and the lows to the highs. So everything is lining up for higher prices for Apple, which tells me the SPY can probably also continue to rise up. So Apple looking like it wants to be targeting the 176 level. Again, these are all just attempts. For example, the bears failed to reach this measure move target. This was all one leg down. This was the second leg for the bears. They were targeting the 116, and then they stopped at the 124, 125. So they failed to reach it, which can lead to a big reversal. So again, if we fail to reach this measure move target, it can lead to a large reversal down, and we'll have to wait and see. But as right now, the bulls are attempting to reach the 176 target. Here's the weekly chart. Macro picture is still an uptrend. You can see that prices were previously inside of a spiking channel. This was the spike. This was a flatter channel that can form after the spike, and prices broke this orange channel. It made one attempt to retest these highs. Price sold off, and currently we are in the formation of the second attempt to reach these highs. So we'll probably get, normally the market does two attempts to the previous extreme of the channel, downtrend or uptrend. So right now we are getting the second attempt of reaching this high point or even exceeding it. So it looks pretty bullish. Prices are back above the EMA, and it looks like prices are targeting the 176 level. it could be some type of range situation going on right here, ranging pattern. This looks pretty good. There is a slight downward bias towards this range. You know, you could kind of draw it like this. I'm gonna make it green, but you can see that since we kind of just pushed right through right here, there's a good chance of probably just respecting the range pattern more than the the range pattern more than the channel pattern. So you know, it might come and play later, but as right now, it looks like prices are ranging. EMA is kind of flat, and you know, just prices are shooting back and forth through it. So most likely it's a ranging pattern. You can see there's previous resistance here, and again, it coincides with that measure move target at the 176. So everything's looking good for Apple to continue to pushing higher. Again, no guarantees in the market. These are all just attempts, but it looks like there's a good chance for that occurring. So that's all I have for Apple this week. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.